again, friends. So now let's work on some math. So this is our goal for today. It says, I will use numbered counters to add and subtract. Okay, so you remember a few days ago, we learned about these numbered counters. We've got the ones, we've got the tens, and we've got the hundreds. So today, I want to teach you that it is going to be so much easier to add and subtract if you are using counters. Let's look at an example of adding by using counters together. So let's say that I've got the numbers 22 plus 35. So this is what it would look like with my counters. I would have 2 counters of tens and 2 counters of ones to represent the number 22. Then I would have 3 counters of tens and 5 counters of ones to represent the number 35. So now, since I am adding, I am going to add all of those counters together. It's easier if you start counting by tens first. So let's count all of our tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now let's count all of our ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 57. All right, my friends, so we used counters to add. Now let's look at an example of using counters to subtract. So let's say that I've got 22 again, so I would have 2 counters of tens and 2 counters of ones. And I am going to say 22 minus 12. So this is how I would do it. I would draw my 22 counters by using 2 counters of 10 and 2 counters of 1. And then I would take away 12. So I'm going to take away one of my tens, and then I'm going to take away 2 of my ones. How many do I have left? I've got 10 left. You're right, 1 counter of 10. So 22 minus 12 equals 10. So now you are going to work on this worksheet, and then you are going to upload a picture of it onto Seesaw so that I can see your work. Now try to use counters to solve those math problems because it is going to make it so much easier for you. Then when you are done with that worksheet, you can keep going down on our site and you are going to find a button that says Place Value Games. It looks like this. Click on that button and it is going to take you to a website called Splash Math where you can play some place value games. I also left some links at the bottom of our 2B website so that when you are done with all of your work, you can go visit those websites and those apps. That's it for today. Bye, friends.